Good day everyone. Today we will be talking about the operation of functions. The sum of these functions can be written as f of x plus g of x or as f of g plus x. What happens when these two functions are added? Example, given that f of x is equals to x squared minus 15 and g of x equals to x plus 5. Find f plus g. If we are to look for our f plus g, we are simply adding our f of x and g of x. Since we know the values of our f of x and g of x, we are now going to substitute the values and perform the addition process. So we have the value of f of x, x squared minus 15, and the value of g of x, x plus 5. Now, combining like terms, when we say combining like terms, we're going to add or subtract those components with the same variable and those with the same exponents, and so with the constants. So we have x squared minus 15 plus x plus 5. By the way, you can add it vertically if it is more convenient for you, and you may also start adding to the left or to the right. So we have x squared plus x plus negative 15 plus positive 5 is equals to negative 10. Why did we come up with a negative answer? It is because we performed the KCC method or the keep change rule. The rule in integers is we are going to copy the sign with a number who has a higher value. So the final answer will be x squared plus x minus 10.
Now let's have subtraction of function. Given f of x is equals to x squared plus 2x and g of x is equals to 8x plus 10. We are to find f minus g of x. So f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. Our f of x is x squared plus 2x minus our g of x, which is 8x plus 10. Since there is no other term with an exponent, we are to copy x squared, then 2x minus 8x is negative 6x. And lastly, we bring down 10. So our f minus g of x is equals to x squared minus 6x plus 10.
So our example number 1, which is the given are the fx equals to x squared plus 4x plus 8, then the gx, which is the x plus 2. We will have our formula for the product of function, which is the f times g times x equals to fx times gx. So substitute the fx and gx, which is the x squared plus 4x plus 8 multiplied by the x plus 2, which is the gx. So first we will multiply x squared to x, we will have x cubed. Then x squared to 2, then we will have 2x squared. Next is the 4x times x, we will have 4x squared. Then 4x times 2, we will have 8x. Lastly, we will have multiplied 8 times x, we will have 8x. Then lastly, we will multiply 8 to 2, we will have 16. So collect like terms, we will have x cubed. Then 2x squared plus 4x squared, we will have 6x squared. Then 8x plus 8x, which is 16x, then copy 16. So our final answer, or our f times g times x, is x cubed plus 6x squared plus 16x plus 16.
Now let's move on to our quotient of functions. So given f of x is equals to x squared minus 10x plus 25 and g of x is equals to x minus 5, we are to find f over g of x. So f over g of x is equals to f of x over g of x. So let's substitute the value of our f of x, which is x squared minus 10x plus 25, and g of x as x minus 5. So the first thing we're going to do, since our f of x is a trinomial, we're going to transform it to binomial. So binomial of x squared minus 10x plus 25 is x minus 5 squared, or x minus 5 times x minus 5. Since our denominator is x minus 5, we're going to cancel 1x minus 5, leaving us with 1x minus 5. So we can conclude that our f over g of x is equals to x minus 5.
given is for the fx we have negative 4x plus 9, and for the gx we have the 2x minus 7. So our formula for the f of g is f of g of x equals to f of g of x. So we will find the value of gx, which is the 2x minus 7. Then substitute the fx, which is the negative 4x plus 9. So we will write a negative 4 quantity 2x minus 7 then plus 9. So we will multiply the 4x to 2x. We will have negative 8x, then multiply negative 4 to negative 7, we will be having positive 28. Then we'll copy 9. So collect like terms, we will have a negative 8x, then positive 28 plus 9 will be having positive 37. So our final answer, our f of g of x is negative 8x plus 37.